and welcome back to my channel. This is again Mommy Yappy, and this is my channel Mommy Yappy Vlogs. And here I am be showing you again how I do my cuts, the vinyl ones, and exactly I'll be cutting now a vinyl sticker for my clients' labels. My client requested for me to use a Decal sticker, the vinyl glossy one, and I'll be cutting this words. Okay, this font. So I forgot what font is this. She requested the size to be 1 by 3 inches per word. So here I'll be setting this vinyl glossy, since it's glossy, and it's color black Decal sticker, glossy. And since my cameo blade is not that new, so I think I will be adjusting this to another blade number. I will add up one blade number. I cannot show you the first that I set on this, the blade one, but I will tell you what happened. So the blade, the setting of the blade is not that good, yung blade one. So the final blade number that I used here is blade number 2, and I adjusted the force to 26. Okay, 26. Tip number 1 in doing your Decal stickers, so you should test cut. Okay, test cut first before cutting or giving your sticker a final cut of it. So test. So now let's proceed to cutting our vinyl according to what we need. Okay, but the safest that you can cut this thing out is the exact area of your cutting mat, like the 12 by 12 inches. Okay, so in this case, this Primecal brand, so it has measurement at the back of it, so you can just get your mat and measure it. It has lines on its back. So let's go. And please don't forget to get the tools that you need in weeding. Yeah, so I'll just post this item, okay, the online link where I got this, and super thankful that I have these tools with me, so the weeding time will be more enjoyable and yeah, enjoyable. What's funny with this Decal stickers is that I bought this last year, so I cannot remember what month, but I'm not really into Decal stickers, but I purchased many and I don't know where to use this, so I just used by request. So this Decal sticker that I have here now is a little bit distorted. It's not aligned on the backing anymore because of being stuck for how many months. And so I'm now trying to fix. So you just need to make sure that the stickers is aligned so that when the machine is cutting it, you will have no problem in the future. Okay, like no parts with air, okay, because that will affect surely your cutting. Okay, just make sure it has no bubbles on it. Yeah. Now I already loaded it on my mat, so it has minimal bubbles in it, but it's good. It's good to go. So now, after I already set my blade number, the force, and the speed, so I can now proceed with my cutting. Alright? I just want to add up that if you're using Cameo 3 like me, so there is a unique feature here that you can just use again the blade setting that you set before on the previews, and you can use it again by clicking repeat job. Yes, so loaded off the mat. Yeah, there you go. And it's up to you how will you cut it. So you can cut this by words or by group of words. So whichever you will be comfortable reading, so just do it. So in my case, I want to enjoy reading and be hard on myself, so I weeded it as a group. So but this is not so advisable. Okay, so in this project, it is best to cut according to word, each word, right? So that the vinyl stickers, the excess vinyl stickers, will not stick into other finished words or the words that you already weeded, right? Weeding the decal stickers is very enjoyable, most especially for crafters who have much time, right? So there are many brands of decal stickers in the market, so you just choose whichever that you need. Okay, may it be for your cars, or the order is intended for cars or for cups or for whatever. Okay, so it's up to you what are the brands that you'll be comfortable to use or intended to use for a specific material that the client or you will be. Where will you stick it? I cannot remember how many minutes, or like I think we did this for an hour.
Hello to everybody, and thank you for watching the whole video that I uploaded today. Again, so please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel, Mommy Epi Vlogs. And though sometimes I cannot upload regularly, but I will make sure that every upload that I will make, meron talaga tayong mapapala. Alright? So makita-kita po tayo sa aking next video. Sana may natutunan kayo na about decal stickers, yung mga vinyls natin dyan. Vinyls. Ayan, so how I do it. Basically, so I just made something out of my vinyl stickers. Okay, for cars yan, Primecal yung ginamit kong brand for this. So I hope you really enjoyed the video. So thank you so much everyone, and see you at my next video. Don't forget that let us not stop learning because life never stops teaching. God bless you.